Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create an eBay account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have downloaded eBay app before. Well, after that, here you can open it, and then you can click register. Well, and then here you can select one of options below. Well, here I will choose to use an email. Okay, and then enter your email address, first name, and your last name, and then click continue. Well, after that, create the password. Okay, and then click create an account. Okay, and then your eBay account is successfully created. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create an eBay account on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.